Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you how I create this organic wall using Freecad. So this is how it looks in Freecad. So in this tutorial I will use the golden surface to create the surface up here and use the Loft Tool to generate the surface around this, and also using the rule surface to fill the surface down below, and also using the cross section to separate them to multiple pieces. So hope you enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so I start by creating new document, and I go to Schedule Workbench and I create a new sketch on the front view. Click OK. I will first create a B-spline, and I will start somewhere in the left and just put let's see, 4 points in here, and come over here and put 4 points in here. Okay, next I select the first point and select the last point, and I hit L to set the length of this. So this will be the length, the width of the wall. So I will set it to 700. I click OK. Now I zoom out. You can see it looks like this. Next, I select the last point, okay, and select the origin of the scene, this point over here, and I hit L, and I will set it to 700 divided by 2. Click OK. Okay, we have something like this. Next, I will position these points to get the shape that I want. Let's put this point over here, this point over here, down here, this point in here. Okay, maybe this one up a little bit. Okay, I close that and I have the first sketch look like this. Next, make sure you select nothing and you create a new sketch also on the front view. Okay, and in the offset you set it to 250 mm. I click OK. Now I create a external geometry and select this line over here, okay, as reference. Next, I create another B-spline and start from here. Start somewhere around here and put some point here. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think, and go over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Maybe down here. Okay. Next, I select the first point and select this point reference down here, and I hit V for vertical constraint to add vertical constraint to it. Go to the last point, select this point and this point, hit V. Okay. Now I will position this point to design the shape. Maybe go up. I close that and I have the second sketch look like this. Now doing the same, I select nothing and then create a new sketch also on the front plane, and this time offset it to 500. Okay. Now I reference create a external geometry and select one, this point, this line or this line is fine. Let's select this line as reference and create a B-spline. Also this time, let's see, we try to create a something like okay, maybe something like this. And I select this point, the first point, and this point reference, hit V to add the vertical constraint, and the last point and this point, hit V. Okay, now you can position the shape. I close that. Now I have the third one. So in case you were confused, I will hide the first two. I will select the, let's say I will hide the scat 001 and scat 002 because so many scat here will get confused. So I will hide it. And I create a new scat. Make sure you select nothing and create new scat also on the front view. And this time 250 but negative 250. Okay, right? Now I create external geometry and select this line as reference and create this spline. Also just put some set here, 1, 2. You can put more point if you want. It's fine. Something like this. And also set this one, hit V for vertical constraint, and this one, hit V for vertical constraint. Okay. Now you adjust the shape. I close that, and I have something like this. If I show everything, you can see we have 4 scat now. Now I need to create another one, the last one. So I hide the scat 003 and also make sure select nothing, and then you create a new scat also on the front view, and the offset will be negative 500. Okay, now I create external geometry and select this line, and then create this spline again, put in some point here, maybe this one go up. Okay, also this point, hit V for vertical constraint, and this point I don't want it to lock into the x-axis, so I select this constraint, I hit delete key. Okay, now this point is free, but I need to constrain this point and this point vertical constraint. Alright, now I close that, and if I hide, I show everything, you can see we have 5 scat like this. Next, I will create Freehand Bspline to connect these together. Connect this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point together. And also up here, this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. And then in between, I create, let's see, some Freehand Bspline in between like this. And then I will create golden surface to create the big surface. To do that, I go to the curve workbench. In curve workbench, I make sure you let's see, select all of these sketch here and go to the view, and the point size I set it to 10 to increase the point size. Now I select this point, control select this point, this point, this point. This time I select the line, I don't want that, so I cancel and then do again. This one, control this one, control this one. This one and this one. Create Freehand Bspline. Okay. Now I double click on it to access the edit mode. I go over here and select this point, this point, this point, this point, and this point. Make sure this point you select should be in sequence, and then you create a Freehand Bspline. I double click on it and I have something like this. Now I go to the top view. In the top view, make sure you select nothing, right? And you select the middle of this sketch. Control select the middle of the sketch. Control select this one, and this one, and create a Freehand Bspline. Okay. I double click on it to access the edit mode. Doing the same, control select the middle of this sketch, the sketch, the sketch, the sketch, and this sketch, and create a Freehand Bspline. Now you have the next one. Now double click on it and doing the same over here. Freehand Bspline. Okay. I double click on it and you should have something like this. Next I will create golden surface from them. So I also go to the top view and I select this one. Control select this one, this one, this one, this one, and come up here, select this one. Or you can come from top to the bottom, or bottom to top is fine. So control select this one, this one, this one, and come over here, golden surface. Okay, now you have a new golden surface created. And of course you can go back and changing the shape of these. So for example, I want to change this shape over here, this one, the sketch 001. I just simply double click on it, this one, and I change the shape of this one. Let's see, let's put this point up. Okay, I close that. You can see the sketch, the surface also update. I double click on it and put it to the old position. I close that, right? Next, I will create the geometry below of this Freehand Bspline. So I will in the G view we have a folder golden surface. Inside it is a lot of Freehand Bspline and sketch here. So I select one of these guys over here, down here, and hit space bar to hide it, right? Next, I create a new sketch on the top view. So I go to the top view. I go to the sketcher and create a new sketch on the top. And I also reference. I select this create external geometry, and I reference this line and this line over here, and view the section view. Okay. Next, I create a center rectangle, and I start from the middle of the scene, and I drag out and finish in here. Okay, and I close that. You can see we have the sketch sitting like this. Now I want to move this sketch down. So I select this sketch 005 and I go down to the data and placement position, the z-axis, just put it down something like 10. Oh, sorry, negative 10, not enough. So let's see, negative 50, negative 100, negative 500. Too much. So negative 200. Yeah, I think negative 200 is good. Next, I go to the Workbench. Okay, and I use the Shape Builder tool. I select on the Shape Builder, click on it, and I want to create a wireframe edges, but I want to extract the boundaries edge of this golden surface. So I control select this edge, control select this edge, control select this edge up here and this one. Okay, and I hit create and I hit close, and in the tree view we have a wire created. Next, I hide the golden surface. You can see we have a new wire created. Okay, next I use the Loft Tool. I select the Loft Tool and I select the sketch 005, which is this one down here we just created. I put it to the right and I select the wire, which is this one, and I put it to the right. Okay, and I hit OK. Now you can see we have a new surface around this wall. So I go up here and I show the golden surface. You can see we have something like this. Next, I show the inside the loft, and I also hide the golden surface. And let's see, I hide the loft, and I want to create a surface at the bottom. So I will select this one, this line here, and control select this line here and create a roof surface. Okay, so we have a new roof surface in here. Now I show the loft and I show the golden surface. With usage, we have a good wall look like this. Next, I will I go to the curve workbench, and in the curve workbench, I control select this surface, control select this surface, this surface, this surface, and this surface, and the last surface is this one. Okay, and just create a parametric solid from it. Click on it, and in the tree view you can see we have a new solid created, which is the green one. And I just hit the spacebar, and you can see we just hide the loft, the roof surface, and the golden surface, and we only have the solid in here. Okay, next I will cut this solid to multiple pieces. To do that, I go back to the Pratt Workbench. In the Pratt Workbench, I select the solid, which is this green one. Okay, and I go up to Pratt cross section, click on it, and I go to the top view, And in the guiding plane, I choose the option S and Z plane because I want to cut. You can see the red line look like this. I want to cut it in this direction. And I choose section and on both sides, okay? And I will set it to something like 10. If I cut it to 10, you can see the distance from one piece to another is 100 mm. So if I set it to 100, the distance will be 10 mm. So I don't want that much. Let's say I want to 30, 40. Okay, so I think 40 is good. If I set it to 40, the distance between this guy from one to another is 25 mm. So it means that I can extrude that up to 24. So I click OK, and it just wait. Now we have a new solid underscore CS created. Let me hide the solid. Now you can see we have solid underscore CS created. I select this one. I cannot extrude this one, so I need to explode the compound to explode it to many pages. From there I will extrude it. So I select this one, I go to Part Compound and explode the compound. You can see a new folder created in the tree view. If I drop it down, you can see there are a lot of things in here. So if you click on it in the viewport, also highlight the piece. And I just simply select all of this guy here, and I go to extrude. And extrude it in the let's see, in the y-axis. I can extrude it up to 24 if I want to, but in this case I just type in here 15. Let's see how it look. Click OK. So you can see now we have the wall, but in the tree view you can see we have some problem with some of these extrude. So all you need to do is just control select all of these guys that have problem, because it's just some little small piece unnecessary. So you just simply select all of these guys here and hit the delete key to delete all of these guys here. And you can also control select shift select everything in here and go up to the prop compound and then make compound. Okay, so now you have a single compound. From there you can hit Control D and you can set the shade and also set the color to it to whatever you like. Okay, maybe I should add it to a brighter color, something like this. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. So hit the like and subscribe button. So thank you.